Running trains. This is the Kansas City Zephyr, Chicago, Galesburg, Quincy, St. Joseph, and Kansas City, Missouri. Pretty much as long as it's not boiled okra, we're all right.
You don't like boiled okra?
I just can't get it. Can't get the idea of the slime in a little ball past my brain.
I guess you don't eat oysters either.
Oh yeah, oysters are fine. Raw oysters
What's
are
the
fine.
difference?
I don't know, but there's oil. Oh yeah, raw oysters with little ketchup and horseradish. Yeah. That's the way Grandpa used to eat. That's the way I grew up.
Started running the dinner time going up there. But that car set me on a